How to update the Microsoft Store applications in Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so you may follow out this method. So we can update all applications automatically. For that, we can click on Start and there just type in Microsoft Store, open it up. And once we open up Microsoft Store, we can go to our profile in the top, click on it, and within there, go to our settings, store settings, and access our store settings. After that, look out for app updates and ensure this option is turned on right here. And now the applications will update automatically. Apart from that, once we open a Microsoft Store, we can click on library option as well. Go to apps, this library option in the bottom left, click on it. And within there, we can look out for the option called get updates or something like that. Here, you can just go over and find that option and go ahead and click on the option called update. And that should also update and wait for updates to finish once you click on that option. If the updates are not working, you can reset your Microsoft Store. For that, press Windows plus R and there type in WS reset and type in .exe. After that, press enter and you can wait for the store to open up again and then you can try updating again. At last but not least, you can just go and check for your Windows update. Press Windows plus I, go to Windows update and go ahead and look out for update section here. If any update available, you can install those. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.